Hello there! In today's video we're gonna be talking about cleaning brass. Brass like this, as you can see it's a piece that's fitted on a door and with time, with the hand, etc. It gets rather dirty. And how we're gonna turn it? We're gonna turn it in something like this. As you can see, there's a big difference. And we will do that with products that we've got at home. You will see it's very easy. We hardly need to do anything, which is the best part. Okay, so let's do that now. In order to clean it, we will need a recipient like this one, a plate, whatever you want. We're gonna place the item inside to make sure it doesn't mess all over the place, and we're gonna use some ketchup. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter at all. It can be something you take from supermarket, from McDonald's, stuff like that. It doesn't matter. And what we do, we just place ketchup all over the place like so. Okay, brilliant. And now what we do, we leave it to rest for approximately 40 minutes. The stuff in the ketchup will start to make effect, and then after we'll rinse it and you'll see the difference. Okay, the time has now passed. We're gonna recover this. So what you do now, you just rub it with your fingers to give it one last clean, and you will see the difference of color. Okay, we can already see that this has changed. Okay, so what you can do now, you can rinse it under with the tap, but for the video I've just got something here. I'm just gonna rinse it a bit. Look at the change. Can you see? And you see, and I'm just rubbing it, but in fact there's not even need, That's just to make sure, and look at how much better it looks. You can see here, I didn't put any, I'm not sure if you can see it. I didn't place any ketchup here, and look at the mark. And all the other side, it's just fine, okay? So that works quite well. Here we go. So I finished rinsing it. And if you got a cloth, it was perfect. You just use the cloth, you dry it, and that's it. Done. Okay, now it's done. I have now my two parts clean, and I can fit them back on the door. So as you can see, it's very easy. You just let it to rest. If you want, you give the rub, and that's it. It can be free as well, because you can go to McDonald's, Burger King, etc. and ask for some little sachet of ketchup, and you'll be able to do it for absolutely free. Okay, so I hope you have liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.